Hey everybody, today I wanted to talk about a website called Affilorama and their product, the Affilo Blueprint. Affilo Blueprint is a step-by-step system in a box that teaches you how to make extra passive income for yourself online. And you'll be making this income with affiliate marketing. What affiliate marketing is you promote other people's products. You don't have to have your own product, you promote other people's products, and you make money each time a sale is generated. Affilo Blueprint shows you how to do this. It's for anybody who wants a step-by-step system with easy directions to follow to creating your own affiliate website that earns you money. It's also for intermediate people, people that are a little bit experienced with affiliate marketing, who want to ramp things up or just want to make sure that they haven't missed any steps. This is great for anybody who has had trouble in the past with affiliate marketing. It's easy to get overwhelmed when you get into affiliate marketing. It's easy to not have a good game plan, or even if you do have a good game plan, it's easy to get off track, or it's easy to have a bad game plan. What this lets you do is use this guy's personal method for creating profitable affiliate marketing websites. And I'll tell you a little bit more about this guy. He's been doing affiliate marketing for over 14 years. He makes 8 figures a year on this affiliate marketing stuff. And what he did was he wanted to create a system for his father to use. His own father had a dead end job that he didn't like, and this guy Mark Ling, this is him right here. He wanted to create a program for his own father to use, so he could not have to work at this dead end job anymore. And now his father has used the Affilo Blueprint system. He used it for himself, and now he makes 6 figures a year online with his affiliate marketing websites, and it's all on autopilot. Once you set it up, it pretty much runs on autopilot. So it worked for his father, so he decided to share it with the public, and now it's available for everybody to use. What this Let's give you a little bit more of the sales page, the main page. It gives you the knowledge, skills, and a foolproof system to build money-making affiliate websites. It goes through everything from finding a product, building a website, creating content, getting visitors, getting more visitors, increasing sales, tracking your success, and then ramping things up. It shows you how to do all of these things in a nice, concise, simple, easy to follow manner. Um, Easy to follow, step by step, over the shoulder directions with videos. Simple, easy to follow video lessons. Every single step is clearly explained and demonstrated on screen. And then each module has complete homework assignments that you are to complete at the end of each lesson. And that's the action steps that you need to take before you go to the next module. If you do these things, you're going to have a successful affiliate marketing website. There's also a full forum and a full support system that lets you talk to the staff if you have any questions, things like that. And then the forum lets you talk to other members, and you can even get your website critiqued. It's good to have more people checking out your website, especially people who are experienced in this stuff, and tell you what you can do to make it better. Here's more information about Mark Ling, and here's the simple things that show you why you'll love Affilo Blueprint. There's easy to follow lessons or bite-sized videos. Work at your own pace and see results quickly. There's ongoing help and support. There's no experience necessary, so it doesn't matter if you're a complete newbie or not. You'll still be able to succeed with this formula. It won't blow the budget. Compared to other training programs, this is definitely a lot cheaper, and you get more. I've paid $2,000 personally for a program like this, and I was satisfied with paying that. But this is way less than that. You get a complete education. It's regularly updated. Technologies change, new strategies emerge, and they keep it up to date. You also get these free bonuses. You get the Affilo theme, which is a very money-making theme that you can use on your own website that you'll be building. In this program, you build your own website. They go along with you, and they're building a website in each of the modules, but you're building your own affiliate website too. And here's a theme that you'll be able to use on that website to make it more successful. And you also get a 1 month free trial of AffiloTools, which will help you check the health of your website, find out what the visitors are doing and everything like that, statistics, just things you can use to make more money. And you'll get a free trial of that with AffiloBlueprint. So you get 90 plus over 90 step-by-step video lessons. You can download lessons and course notes. There's a private members forum. You get lifetime access, and you get the free Affilo theme website builder, and free 1-year web hosting for one website, and a free 1 month trial of Affilorama Premium. It costs $197. And there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it for whatever reason, in 60 days, then you can get your money back. Just send a support ticket and they'll tell you how to get a refund. So you may as well check it out and see what you think. And if you don't like it, you can get a money-back guarantee. But let's go, and I'll log in and I'll show you what you get when you sign up for this. Here's everything right here. Quick help and support is always up there on the right, so that makes it easy to contact support. There's the private members forum right here. This is really cool. This is heavily trafficked. There's people posting new things all the time. You can see this is today's date, and someone has been posting on here. But this is where you would go to get your website critiques, like we were talking about before. Site reviews. When you're making your own website, throw up a forum post in here, and have people critique your website. Here's a new one that someone has been doing. Wants a review of his site, and here's people have responded and kind of given him some tips and tricks about how he can make it better. So that's really cool. It's cool to have a support system like that to help you out. And then there's also a section of the forum that's dedicated to each of the steps or the modules in the training. So if you're on step 6 and it deals with SEO and you're kind of stuck or you have a question, then post it right here. It makes it really easy to get help with this forum. So that's really good. And again, this is available to you lifetime. It's not charged each month or anything like that. It's a lifetime subscription to this, being able to do this. But anyway, here's just to give you a look at what's inside each module. It starts out with an introduction just to get you acquainted with affiliate marketing and get you in the right mindset to be doing this stuff. Market research and keywords is the real step 1. So here are the videos. You can download them. There's also notes, lesson notes, or you can just watch them online. But video 1 is about finding profitable digital product niches. Video 2 is finding profitable physical product niches. Video 3, finding profitable CPA niches or cost per action. Video 4, introduction to keywords and buyer intent. Video 5, niche background research. Video 6, search volumes and competition. But this whole thing will help you pick a profitable niche to start with before you start making a website. So you'll know going into it that you have a profitable niche or topic for your website before you start building it, which is very important. This step 2 modules talk about creating content for your website, content writing, how to make good quality content, how to make a website that people are actually going to visit, how to provide value for your visitors basically, but getting free content, paid content, ClickBank affiliate links and tracking IDs. This is how to make sure you get paid each time that someone purchases from your website. Federal Trade Commission compliance, article rewriting techniques, advanced content techniques, and article research snippets to help you figure out kind of what your market wants. But again, there's homework in each module too. So once you get through with those, here's action steps that you need to do before you move on. And in each of these steps, you will be building your own personal website. So that's pretty cool. Like by the end of this, these 12 videos or these 12 modules, you'll have built your own first successful website. And they say it should be making anywhere between $50 a month and $500 a month. But the idea is you do this once, and then you do it again. You make another website, So you make a few websites that are pulling in between $50 and $500 a month. It starts to add up. But I'll just go through and read off what all the modules are called. I'm not going to go through all of them because, you know, it's, you can see there's a lot of value here. It's just a matter of doing it. But step 3 is setting up your website. Step 4 is website design. Step 5 is on-page SEO. Step 6 is off-page SEO. Inbound marketing, newsletters, tweaking your website, introduction to Google pay-per-click, setting or creating pay-per-click campaigns, and advanced pay-per-click techniques. And that's, after you get done with all of those, you will have a successful website that's generating traffic and generating sales and making money, putting money in your pocket. Here's the Affilo theme that comes with the AffiloBlueprint for you to use on your website, and you can set that up through here. And then again, there's some bonuses and things like that, a couple unannounced extras. These are great. All this is great content. But definitely, if you know, check this out, click the link below this video to sign up, and you get 60 days, no questions asked, money back guarantee. Just click that link below the video to check this out. And when you do get in here, I recommend going to the forum. You know, go to the forum and say hello and start commenting and just talk to other people. Tell them what you're doing and say hello and start to meet people, and you might be able to answer some other people's questions or chime in on these posts. But this is really a great platform to talk with other members. It's very easy to get distracted when you're doing stuff like this, affiliate marketing and whatnot, but the AffiloBlueprint members forum is a great place to kind of help stay on task and just kind of talk shop with other people and see. Whoa, I hit the brightness button on my monitor. But see what other people are doing and just stay ahead of the game and being successful. So please check it out and let me know what you think below this video. Alright, bye bye.